Installation procedures for the HALDEX GeminiMDx high-capacity air drying system. The following HALDEX GeminiMDx installation procedures were completed using a New Flyer transit bus equipped with a Graham White air dryer. Depending on the specific New Flyer model and/or existing equipment, these procedures may need to be slightly modified for your specific installation. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact a HALDEX representative for assistance. The installation requires the following list of tools. Preparation. Pull the bus into an available shop bay. Turn off the main battery disconnect switch and lockout/tagout if required by your facility. Lift and secure the bus at an appropriate working height that allows the air dryer assembly to be easily accessed. Note: the air dryer assembly is located under the bus behind the roadside rear wheel well. Open all air tank drain valves and fully drain the air system as shown here. Note: drain valves are located under the bus in front of the roadside front wheel well and in front of the curbside rear wheel well.